Hello guys, welcome back again. So now let's have some fun practicing some pronunciation, alright? So we're working with Unit 3. For those who have their books with them, we're working on page 120. And if you don't have the book with you, no problems at all. I'm going to be showing the dialogue all the time over here. And also, if you want, you can check the track here, 1.21, right? Here, let me show you 1.21 and 22 in the PES portal. Remember, so it's peslanguage.com.br. So there you can check the tracks if you want to listen to this, just the sound, not in this video here. So what we're going to work here, we're going to work with this strong and weak forms. Of and of, right? So here we have this word which is written OF, right? But when we pronounce them, we have these two different sounds. We have of and of, okay, which seems not so different. But now we're going to listen to the dialogue, and then I want you to try to check the difference between the strong form and the weak form. Okay, so let's listen.
What do you always buy the same brand of?
I always buy the same brand of sneakers. They're called Ace. I bought a pair of green ones last week.
Ace? What are they made of?
They're made of fabric and rubber. They put a lot of effort into the design and quality of them.
And into the marketing of them, too.
Okay, so could you notice any difference from one sound to the other? No, you can see all of them. So let's listen just these two first sentences here again.
What do you always buy the same brand of?
I always buy the same brand of sneakers.
So, what do you always buy the same brand of? Right? So it's a strong of. And the other one is, I always buy the same brand of sneakers. So it's not that strong. Okay? What I want you to do now, I want you to do exercise number 2. I'm going to play the track again.
Always buy the same.
Oops, sorry.
What do you always buy the same?
Not helping me here now. But let's go back. Yeah, I want you to listen again now with me, and you are going to try to tick the ones if you want. If you don't have your book, you can use a notebook and put strong and weak, okay, or stressed and unstressed. Remember, stressed syllables, right? The strong syllables in the word, right? So I want you to do the following. Listen to the ofs and try to understand and identify if it's a strong of, or like the first one, the same brand of, right? Or a weak one, just like in the second example. I buy the same brand of sneakers. Okay? So let's listen again.
Do you always buy the same brand of?
I always buy the same brand of sneakers. They're called Ace. I bought a pair of green ones last week.
Ace? What are they made of?
They're made of fabric and rubber. They put a lot of effort into the design and quality of them.
And into the marketing of them, too.
So, could you identify the difference? Well, basically, there are two strong or stressed ofs, okay? The first one here, what do you always buy the same brand of? And what are they made of, right? So, what is the conclusion? Usually, we use of in a strong way, in a stressed way, when it's at the end of a sentence, right? The other ones, they are in the middle of the sentences. They are just making the connection of the words. So most all of the time, they will be not stressed, right? So just like the same brand of sneakers, a pair of green one, they're made of fabric, a lot of effort, quality of them, and marketing of them, right? So again, the ones at the end of the sentence, they are stressed, they are strong, so we really pronounce them, again, the same brand of, and the other ones, they are not that strong, they are just connecting, so the same brand of sneakers, okay? We don't say of sneakers, we say of sneakers, right? What I want you to do now, listen, repeat, and practice, okay? Because it's by practicing that two things happen. Practicing pronunciation, I mean, we pronounce the words better and communicate better the messages we want to convey, and also it really helps us to listen better to what people are saying, okay? So I am going to play this again over here, and then you can practice there at home.
What do you always buy the same brand of?
I always buy the same brand of sneakers. They're called Ace. I bought a pair of green ones last week.
Ace? What are they made of?
They're made of fabric and rubber. They put a lot of effort into the design and quality of them.
And into the marketing of them, too.
All right? So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much, and we'll see each other again when we come back to work with Unit 4, right? Bye, see you next time.